Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this Photoshop tutorial, I'm excited to teach you how to craft a captivating letter portrait using Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin by customizing the background color to your liking. Next, select the text tool and write the letter of your choice. Import the image you'd like to incorporate into your portrait. Hold down the Alt key and click on the text layer. Then, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to invert the selection. Now, equip the eraser tool and carefully remove any unwanted areas. Revisit the text tool and navigate to the Layer Styles options, where you'll find the option to add a drop shadow. Voila! You've just created a stunning letter portrait.